Hello, Anubis. My name is Kim. Egypt and the pyramid has been calling me louder and louder recently.
It's been calling everybody because you were all in Egypt.
So I had the privilege to watch and observe Vivian Chavez and Deborah and Giuliani and Petit, and it was so emotional. But I also, last October, I had a chance
Is that door open?
No. So last October, I had a chance to visit Mountain Shasta for the second time through guided meditation by a very known lady, Ashland, and she walked us through a meditation to connect to our galactic self. I was guided to the planet of Isis. And they told me that I have to visit Egypt, and I asked how many days and what is it for. They say to activate my light body, and I have to be there 2 days. And I was told also a lot of children are also being called to visit Egypt to reactivate themselves and bring back the energy to the speed of service. So my question now is, until I muscle up the fund to be able to visit there, I'm going through a divorce right now. What is my purpose once this is done?
Why do you have to go through the divorce first?
Because try to get an equal share of the settlement.
Why must you put your life on hold for others? Don't you realize that you are a light worker? You have a grid within you. We all have, not all, we light workers have this grid within us that when we go and travel to these specific sites and locations, we activate that within ourselves and within that grid of the location, which extends into the earth and out into the universe for others to see and educate how we are doing with this planetary involvement and evolution as we expand. But we are contracting at this time of birth and evolution of into this new earth that we call the 5D, but many of us are beyond 5D. Such as yourself, you are well at 6. Come here. We will activate you, and you do not need to go, but you can to improve your memory and activate your visions and talents and abilities that you've had. I see you were a teacher. Yes.
I'm a teacher in this life.
And you were a teacher then?
Yeah.
Your children were so precious to you as your own. You cared for many. You taught many to read these hieroglyphics, as you would say. This communication that you shared within yourself, you enlightened that with many children, and I want you to know that your children are here today in this room. So if you feel out there that you have a connection or emotional reaction to being a student or having a teacher, like a mother who cared for you, this is time to heal and reconnect. We are back. we have returned. You still can teach, you do. But your subjects don't make you happy. You need to do something that makes you happy and makes your heart sing, and you know, even if it's art, cooking, gardening, teach these children now to embrace the changes that we are going through during these contracted states of earth. There will be food shortage. There will be water shortage. Destruction of buildings. People dying. Natural causes like earthquakes. Today. What the fuck was that?
427.
Are you serious?
Yes. 1,000 oaks.
And we felt this in this room together.
Yes. Yes.
And that is the power that we have, is to shift the timelines and to shift these thoughts. It's fun to say these fucking faults. But you have it within yourself to shine the light within yourself. Embrace your darkness without fear, without loss, without grief. Grief is everywhere. It's just a transition. Your loved ones are here. Just think about them. And now you know what you need to do. Teach from your soul as you did before. And travel, it'll make you happy. Go to the water, the Mediterranean. That will set you free. Thank you.
This is not,
I knew it was going to be you.
the 3 or 4 people that you prioritized did not get involved. You know, I think it's that.
If they want to ask.